Welcome to English Grammar Quiz.
Benevolent means well-meaning and kindly. Its antonym is selfish, meaning concerned chiefly with one's own profit or pleasure. An enigma is something that is mysterious or puzzling. Its antonym is solution, which represents the resolution or answer to a mystery. Lethargic describes a state of sluggishness or lack of energy. The antonym is energetic, meaning full of energy and vitality. Voracious describes having a very eager approach to an activity. The antonym is sated, meaning satisfied to the full. Repudiate means to refuse to accept or be associated with. The antonym is accept, meaning to agree to take something offered. Enervate means to cause someone to feel drained of energy. The antonym is invigorate, meaning to give strength or energy to. Apathetic means showing or feeling no interest, enthusiasm, or concern. The antonym is passionate, indicating strong emotion or enthusiasm. Innocuous means not harmful or offensive. The antonym is dangerous, indicating a potential for harm or risk. Incoherent describes something that is unclear or not logically connected. The antonym is clear, indicating easily understood or lucid. Nefarious means wicked or criminal. The antonym is virtuous, indicating having high moral standards. Exacerbate means to make a problem, bad situation, or negative feeling worse. The antonym is alleviate, meaning to make it less severe. Diligent describes someone who is hardworking and attentive to detail. The antonym is lazy, indicating a lack of effort or motivation. Verbose describes using more words than needed. The antonym is concise, indicating using few words to express an idea clearly. Exuberant describes being full of energy, excitement, and cheerfulness. The antonym is restrained, indicating controlled or subdued. Volatile describes something that is liable to change rapidly and unpredictably. The antonym is stable, indicating something steady or unchanging. Ostentatious means characterized by vulgar or pretentious display. The antonym is modest, indicating simplicity or humility. Inhibit means to hinder, restrain, or prevent an action or process. The antonym is encourage, meaning to give support or approval. Inundate means to overwhelm someone with things or people to be dealt with. The antonym is drown, indicating to die through submersion in water. Equivocal describes something ambiguous or open to interpretation. The antonym is clear, indicating easily understood or defined. Audacious describes showing a willingness to take surprisingly bold risks. The antonym is fearful, indicating lacking courage or being timid.
Thanks for watching.